Hi there. In this video, we're checking out this black Elegoo TPU. This specific one has a 95A flexibility rating. It comes vacuum sealed with a desiccant packet inside and it's wound on a plastic spool. Here's a quick look at a piece of filament I cut off. It's flexible, a little stretchy, and seems incredibly strong. Now let's talk printing. I'm using the Bambu Lab P1S for this test, which means I had to mount it on the external spool holder. Yep, you definitely can't use this filament in the AMS. I also unwound the spool just a tiny bit manually so the gears won't have to pull too hard and cause a clog. Because I was being cautious, everything printed incredibly easy. First up, I printed this unbreakable TPU ball. And yeah, it definitely feels indestructible, but unfortunately, it doesn't bounce. Such a bummer. Still, it was a nice first print. Next, I decided to print something a little more useful, this TPU corner guard. The surface finish is a little rough, but it's nice and squishy. It'll do a great job protecting your body parts from sharp edges on furniture. This one also feels totally indestructible. The final test print I did was this shoe. And oh boy, there was a lot of stringing. To be fair, I didn't dry the filament first, and I know TPU is notorious for needing to be dried. I even tried using a blowtorch and some sanding, but absolutely nothing seemed to get rid of the stringing. I guess the only real way to fix it is to actually dry off your filament beforehand. Other than that, this material is awesome. TPU is a real S tier material. I had zero functional issues with this Elegoo filament, so I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!